I'm going to review the best KVM switch in the market for this year. We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. At number 1, IO Gear K. This switch includes 2 cables, which are VGA and USB cables for connection. It can work with Windows operating system, Macintosh, and Sun OS. It also includes 2 USB ports to allow multiple connections at a time. Besides, it has a resolution that peaks at 2048 by 1536 pixels, which is a good grade on KVM switches. You will be able to separate intranet and internet connections seamlessly. It comes with a USB mouse, a USB keyboard, and a VGA monitor that lets you manage 2 PCs simultaneously. It includes 3 years of limited warranty with access to lifetime tech support. At number 2, 4-port VGA KVM Switch. This switch lets you save lots of money, as it offers many solutions to various problems you may be facing when trying to connect to the internet. It comes in a plug-and-play system that lets you set it up in a jiffy. It does not require the service of a technical expert, whom you have to pay for the installation. It has 2 USB ports with which you can connect devices like printers, and it supports up to 2048 by 1536 resolution. This is due to the automatic identification feature integrated to improve the capacity of the switch. At number 3, IE Geek USB KVM Switch Box. This KVM switch deserves an accolade as it allows the connection of up to 4 computers at once. The computers will make use of one monitor, a mouse, and a keyboard using its switch box. You will be able to change from one PC to another easily without having to move around. This switch is a great option for you if you multitask a lot at work. It's compatible with most operating systems ranging from Linux to Windows, Mac, Unix, and Netware. It boasts of a resolution that amounts to 1920 by 1440, making it produce clean and beautiful pictures.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.